Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to stop by TipRanks TV to catch some of our other great exclusive series, including Annika's latest breakdown on the recent Bitcoin crash. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning following the Fed increasing rates by 0.75 of a percentage point yesterday. Right now, Dow futures are down 1.75%, S&P 500 futures are down 2.14%, and NASDAQ futures down 2.51%. Cosmetics company Revlon has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. They have been struggling with their debt load of around $3.3 billion as they face stiff competition online from online brands and different supply chain pressures. The company said that they expect to receive $575 million in debtor-in-possession financing from their existing lender base, which will help support their day-to-day operations. Tesla is increasing prices on some of their U.S. models, with some increasing by up to $6,000. The price increases come as the EV maker has to deal with rising commodity costs and, of course, the ongoing supply chain issues around the world. The Model Y will now cost nearly $68,000 compared to about $65,000 last month, while the Model S has gone up to nearly $110,000 from $105,000 over the same period. It also appears that Tesla has begun some of their layoffs following Elon Musk's email saying that he had a super bad feeling about the economy. According to a report from Business Insider, they found 11 LinkedIn posts from Tesla's ex-employees that were asked to leave. 2 of the 11 were posted last week and 9 were posted this week. Further, according to a Reuters report, Tesla has also canceled 3 hiring events in China that were scheduled for later this month. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 31%. Construction and equipment company Caterpillar will be shifting their headquarters from Illinois down to Texas. Due to its cheaper real estate market, tax incentives, and larger and flexible workforce, numerous corporate giants have made this move to Texas in recent years, including companies like Tesla, Oracle, and Hewlett-Packard. Caterpillar will continue to employ about 17,000 people in Illinois. The CEO of Caterpillar said that we believe it's in the best strategic interest of the company to make this move. Analysts currently rate the Caterpillar stock a moderate buy with an average upside of about 17%. And Pfizer and Moderna are both on their way to receiving FDA approval for their COVID vaccine in children under 5 after FDA advisors unanimously backed the authorization for both companies. Advisors met on Wednesday and authorized a 2-dose series of Moderna's vaccine for children aged 6 months to 5 years and a 3-dose series of Pfizer's vaccine for children aged 6 months to 4 years. The CDC will weigh in, and then the FDA will also choose whether they want to take the advisor's recommendation and grant approval. Analysts currently rate the Moderna stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 73%, while the Pfizer stock is also rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 21%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we're still waiting to hear from grocery chain Kroger, and in the after hours, we'll be hearing from Adobe. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Commercial Metals, who came in ahead of analyst expectations. They reported earnings of $2.61 per share, well ahead of the estimates of $2.09 per share, and on revenue of $2.5 billion, beating estimates of $2.3 billion. Their revenue grew over 36% year over year. Analysts rate the Commercial Metals stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 28%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Charles River Labs after it was announced they'd be partnering up to manufacture a new gene therapy. Trading under the ticker CRL, the stock is up 3.3%. They're followed by CI Financial under CIXX, up just above 3%, and Twitter under the ticker TWTR, up nearly 2%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Philips after the USB Group downgraded their rating on the stock. Under the ticker PHG, they're down over 9%. They're followed by Digital Bridge Group under the ticker DBRG, down 7%, and Ameresco under AMRC, down over 6%. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before the market opens. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.